Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this little baseball slash softball training bat. It's actually kind of a whip style bat, and 6 of these FoamBat balls that can actually be used to help train for your swing. So this kind of devices have actually been proven. There's a lot of different science out there behind it as far as helping with your lag and different things like that with your swinging, making sure that as you swing this piece here, you actually can get some feedback. It kind of helps train you as far as these loose trainers in getting out there, and the fact that this is adjustable, you can adjust your hands wherever you feel like you need to for your size of bat to basically make this the sweet spot on your bat, and it kind of is going to train you to hit that and hit it on the sweet spot to help improve accuracy. So we're going to go ahead and give him a couple of chances to do a little practice swings here. Go ahead and practice swing. Let's see you swing one time. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Now try to hit this on the sweet spot. Try again. Whoa! So as you decide you're going to hit these things and you're going to practice with these, it'll help line up, it'll help if you end up hitting it wrong or hitting it correctly, it'll actually show you based off the wobble of that to help automatically correct you as you're going so that you can practice. Here you go, bud. These also have a lot of really nice color to them, so they'll be easy to spot outside, and do come with a nice carrying bag that can actually fold up and go into to make this nice and compact, easy to travel, fit in the trunk of your car so you can take this anywhere you want to, or even on a bike ride to a park.